What gender is that?
Some of them that used to say, babes, me, Favor, I've decided not to dating someone that used to smoke. You see those smoking guys? They irritate me so much. They are very, very, very stingy. Especially those ones they call customers. Chinecharam. Especially Chinaza. Oh! Fear them. Those ones, they used to smoke. They smoke butter. Even though you build them, they will use that money where you build themselves. Buy smoke for your face. They will tell you that they will not. They don't have money, but they will use that money that you build them. They will use it and smoke. Those ones, they are addicted to smoke. They are addicted. I hate them. Especially Chinecharam. Fear them. The one they used to smoke in the morning, used to smoke in the afternoon before they will smoke. The one with them pay me most, even though they are having sex with you, they are fucking you. They will have smoke on their mouth. Those ones, and some of them, especially Chinaza, some that one no they use, don't they buy any smoke cleansing? Don't they cleanse his, that one, if you see his teeth change colors. Baby girls, I'm just giving you this update. Fear them. I'm just giving you this update. Fear them. Smokers, especially those ones they smoke weed. Not be the one where they smoke cigar. Those ones they smoke weed. Especially those Kana boys. And the Sabina, man, no lie. The Sabina, especially that get angry. But one thing that make me hate him is smoke. He smokes too much. But in Sabina. Okay.